lost my way down this road once or twice in this crazy life, but I always seem to find a way to make it all work out. So I keep pressing my luck. I've been down and I've been out. I've seen the worst of me. A whiskey bottle don't make a real good friend. It took some time to find the sin. A loud guitar sings my lullaby, rocks my weary head to sleep. For every song's a late night tale that I hope no one ever tells, but I can't help myself from being me. A candle in the darkness is a hard thing to be. And something about the nightlife has always set me free. If I don't make my mind up soon, she's out the door. And I don't want every tomorrow to be like the one before. A whiskey bottle don't make a real good friend, and she's the best I've ever had. And music frees my mind so, but I can't let her go when she's all that's in my heart. Lost my way down this road once or twice in this crazy life, but I always seem to find a way to make it all work out. It's getting harder all the time.